the bird cage. So this is the whiskey barrel that is talked about, which I always fill with clean water. The shower, it turns, I mean, you can have hot water from the tap or from the shower, and the barbecue, and then we go in. So this is the outdoor. There's a lovely view, but today is really misty. So my guests left this morning, and this is the kitchen area that is prepared for my next guests. The boiler is not in confined space, so I did put a metal sheet on top because it was throwing out a lot of heat from the top, so that's fine. I mean, it's open space, it's not in confined area, there's no door to this place. So you've got the gas burner with the oven, the little bins there for recycling, and the fridge, and here you've got some things in the meat safe. Here we go into the bird cage through the door. There is some fairy lightings and the wood burner, the bed. So where is this? As you can see, there is the monoxide alarm, and there is the fire alarm, and this is the lovely Finnish wood burner. It's a tiny space, it's not pretentious. That's it really. So it's up to the individual to kind of appreciate it, like it or not like it. The outdoor space, yes, there is a chicken wire netting. I used to kind of breed, I still do actually, breed cats, Siamese and Oriental, so it was very useful. That's it.